What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This intro is going to be super quick. I just want to say hey, I miss you guys. Today we are going to be opening my birthday gift, and my birthday was last week and the week has been so busy I actually haven't had time to open my gift, so I figured I could do it on camera with you guys. I also have another video taking you guys shopping with us to get this beautiful gift that I got. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Also, if you haven't already done so far, girl or guy, I need you guys to connect with me on Instagram. Whenever I'm not able to bring out my camera and film a full video for you guys, I'm usually on Instagram having fun with my friends and family, connecting with you guys. So meet me over there. I'll put my information in the description box. And also, if you're not subscribed already, I encourage you to subscribe. This is not even about me, this is about us. I feel like I really vibe with you guys on YouTube. I don't know, I guess it's something about, like, there's not really a lot of pressure to be perfect over here. I feel like we just vibe, you know? So join the family, subscribe, because of course there's a lot more videos coming. So let's get into the bag. Okay, so this is actually my first purchase from Gucci. So let's see. Like my other luxury bags, I didn't have the full experience. Like the only one that I can remember last year, this is a big box for the bag. Y'all will see. Okay. So this is actually my first purchase from Gucci. So I don't even know. I feel like there was a tie on here. Oh, the tie just fell on off. I'll probably be keeping my bag and my box. One thing that I learned from my YSL purchase is that if you keep the bags and boxes to your items, it's really good for if you decide to resell it. Also, it's just cute to have like in your beauty room. Hopefully I plan on having like a full beauty room. So yes, I'll have it up in there. Okay. One thing they should do is like spray perfume on it. Like the smell is not impressing me. Okay. This huge box, guys. Like, got oil from my hands on it already. That's the thing about nice things. Like you spent so much money on it, you don't even want to mess it up. And okay, dust bag. You guys know Gucci dust bags. They're nice. I always keep my purses in the dust bag. Oh, this has two. Ooh. So this is my baby. I love it. Oh gosh. Let me see how close or how far I am. Okay, so let's get into the bag. I'm gonna zoom in. It's the details for me, sweetie. It's very vintage. Reminds me of something that my mother would wear in a good way. So it's very vintage. It reminds me of something my mother would wear. If you guys don't know, probably don't know, maybe you do because some of y'all watched my wedding video. My mother passed away before I went to high school, and I feel like that's where I got a lot of my interest in fashion for. Like my mom was really into fashion, lots of like classic pieces like this. So that's why I decided on this purse. Just because it seemed like very timeless. And when I try it on, you guys are gonna be able to see what I'm talking about. So I was deciding between this bag and the, I don't even know how to pronounce it. I can't pronounce any of their stuff. It's like Dinosaurus or something. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's like the Gucci bag with the like snake thing. And I knew I wanted a canvas bag like with the GG double G print and around this color because I like love my YSL bag, but I wanted something like not black. So between this and the Dinosaurus, whatever you call it, bag, I ended up picking this one, just this green and red. Like this little pop of color was just giving me a vibe. Like I like to wear a lot now that I'm getting older. I keep saying that. Now I like to wear a lot of like solid colors. So if you see now, like wearing black, denim, and this, and tell me it's not popping. So I just felt like that little pop of color would be cute. And yeah, so this is how I plan on wearing it. Don't have on any shoes. Let me go get my shoes so you guys can see. Okay, so before I show you guys the outfit, I don't even know if y'all are going to be able to see this whole outfit. The top, this top is from Shein. These jeans, I'll have to put where they're from. My friend actually sent them to me because she couldn't fit them anymore. And these clear heels that I will actually do a video like this. Like filming by yourself, guys, is not easy. So, you know, split hem jeans or whatever. These shoes are from Target. Alright, I scooted the camera back and took off my heels so that you guys could see me. I'm not that tall, but this room is not meant for filming. So the original bag that I wore with this outfit was my black and gold YSL bag, which was cute and perfect, but I was just fiending for that pop of color. So I'm gonna try on the bag for you if you guys are curious about sizing. 1 second. Okay, so I'm 5'5", size like 6, basically, yeah, size 6, and I plan on wearing, get my mirror. I plan on wearing the bag like this. I think it's like super cute. I typically wear like gold accessories or rose gold. Even if you wear silver, I feel like people mix and match hardwares all the time. So I will wear it like this. I don't think I'll wear it on my side like this, maybe, you know, but I definitely will be wearing it like this. A lot of people were saying that this rolls off your shoulder. Like, it's not that deep. We know how to wear purses at this age. But yeah, it has a magnet. I really think it's the perfect size. I don't really like big purses. So yeah, it's like the perfect size to me. Inside has your tag. I typically keep the tags in my bags. I don't know why. No one's looking inside my bag, so I might as well keep it in there so I don't lose it. I don't keep my instructions in there, but I might keep it in there. Who knows? Yeah, might as well keep it in there. I have the receipt somewhere else though, but yeah, it's about this size. I'm gonna try to see if I can wear it as a crossbody. Let's see if I can. Oh. No, sweetie. honestly, what do y'all think? Is it too short to wear? Definitely not with this outfit, you know, but like, if push came to shove and I was like, needed to be hands-free, it's not horrible. Of course, typically crossbodies, you know, you want it to hit on your hip. And yeah, it's a little short. But you know, if I just needed to, I would. What else? I think I just made it a little longer. I think I just made this longer than how when I had it at first. And I don't know how I did that. I don't know. They were also saying that you can wear the bag as a clutch. I don't typically wear clutches. Yeah, clutches are not really my thing. But if I wanted to, I guess I could. This looks weird, but 90% of the time, I'm sure I'm gonna be wearing it. How I had it at first, where I can't remember how I did that, where it was like a little bit shorter. Like when I had it like here. I don't know how I did it, but that time I'm gonna wear it. And yeah, do I feel like it was worth it? Honestly, what is really worth anything? I feel like this bag was around $2,000. When you say it like that, it sounds ridiculous, but people spend money on all different types of things that they feel necessary. Some people like spend 90% of their money on rent. Some people always want to eat out. Some people have nice cars. And I feel like I try to be in the middle to upper middle, I guess, with all of those things. So I don't buy a lot of luxury items. Right now I'm saying I buy like one luxury item a year. And by luxury, I mean like $2K and over. And that's about it. This is my new friend. I don't name my purses because that's kind of like not me, but I don't know, I might start doing that. So that's it. Let me know what you guys think of my new friend. Actually don't, because if you don't like it, I don't want to hear it. It's gonna hurt my feelings. But check out my other videos where I take you guys shopping with me, and thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.